guys, Minnie Corey. I wanted to show you one of my absolute favorite purses, and that is the Organizing Shoulder Bag. So one of the reasons that I love this bag is it's so very lightweight. I mean, this thing is a great size, but it is not heavy at all. As you can see, it has a super duper long strap, so you can choose to wear it crossbody, or you can shorten it up and just wear it on one side. But I am totally a crossbody girl, so that's how I like to rock mine, is over one side. So there's plenty of pockets for you to choose from. Sorry, I got a message. So there is a zipper pocket here. There is another open right here. On the back side, there's a whole nother one. And then once you open it up, there are 3 more surprising pockets. There is a zipper pocket here, and then there's 2 more sort of self-filed size ones in front of that. So I love this thing for running errands and being hands-free. So if I have my kids with me and I'm running some errands, this is my go-to bag because it's so lightweight and I can actually fit a lot in here. Right now, all I have in here is just I have a mini zipper pouch with some things for mom in there, and my easygoing wristlet, which both fit in there very nicely. And there is just tons of room. So this Organizing Shoulder Bag, if you were asking me for a crossbody casual bag, hands down, this is the one you want. Organizing Shoulder Bag.